Wow. That was literally the most terrifying dream I've ever had in my entire life. I probably shouldn't eat so much garbage before going to bed on my couch. Too bad I lost my bed privileges. And my sleeping and eating privileges. Luckily I didn't get caught. Can I please eat something? Mom, please.
You're on a diet.
I've lost 57 pounds.
You ungrateful child, after everything I've done for you. You piece of fat garbage, you are what killed your father, you terrible human being. What's that noise? Is that my garbage son? Ever since Dad died, you've been a whiny baby. Shut up and act like the adult you are.
I'm 12 and a half.
You'd better be kind to Mr. Neutron. It's very nice of him to take us out to dinner.
I'm not coming with you.
What?
You heard me.
You know what? Fine. You would just ruin our night.
It's too bad Carl couldn't make it.
Yeah, too bad. You know, Hugh, you're a pretty cool guy.
You too. What actions are being portrayed in this eating establishment? I don't know. The biological caretakers of ours are kissing,